up, you should install the film like this way. Now we open the whole button. Then open the heating and the count. Here is the count. Here is for heating. You can see this red temperature is our target temperature. This is for sealing the toothpick. At first it will be 0, and you should match. Here is the target temperature, and this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Arrive this temperature, this target temperature. That means you can running the machine. It can be sealing well. Okay, let's start. You see, this is screen. That means the machine running. At first, we can testing the packed film if the bag sealing well. At first, we can this ones for testing if the film sealing well. You think the film is sealing well? Okay, we can put the toothpick down one by one. Then this is the fastest speed you can do it.